Lumba was a same look at say, at that time, didn't talk that came, and now the Ketwa. Say, gun of traditionalists are far and no good for my dad Lumba. Yeah, one chance as so. Bad news about hitting Ghana. Now, I feel no, Ninyum ever trendy because we woke up.
If you see a woman since 1964, Mindy, my birthday. So, me can't say any people bring one, but I am no correct. Yeah, and my birthday, I'm mammy. It means Mindy, my birthday. Now, so Sabra way there, my bravo. Dear, at 2 million age. The Nipa kind in age. A radiant medal, the landmark 60 years, which is not easy to achieve. Now, I am on Bible. My dog farm we are singing now. Said a more common pipe, more photo genima, Bompire may be coming. The radiant so a team on Bible. The radiant team was so friend. And then, and she'll be I hear this very coming Sunday. Now, Munia, more papa, for you for so. I must make it 60 years now. But then I see my ready, so what my atomy will assume dream. Elquan, and Yahoo, and what do
with the legend. I've made a post on my Facebook page right now. So I think that replies or that explains everything going on right now. A lot of people, all the calls and the messages coming through, I appreciate all of them because of my, I mean, although I've been with him for a while, but until I started working with him, I think last year or the last 2 years. So I'm sure that's the reason a lot of people are calling and calling and calling. But to be very honest, the legend lives. That Lumba is still alive. He is very well and not dead, as rumors or speculations are going on. Please ignore the rumors. Ignore them. They are not true. They are not true. But to be very honest, the legend lives. That Lumba is still alive. He is very well and not dead, as rumors or speculations are going on. Please ignore the rumors. Ignore them. They are not true. They are not true. I've seen a lot of all of these.
Who started it?
I don't know who started it. All I am saying is it's not true. Please ignore the rumors. Let's rather pray for him. Let's wish him well. And look, the little I know about Daddy Lumba, when it comes to these rumors, it a pain him, pal.
Yeah, they do.
Right? It a pain him. He doesn't like that at all. Imagine, Charlie, you there or somewhere, all of a sudden rumors flying around that, why? What's that? You there or somewhere, Eden. Unke bin shame. Charlie, make her go check what happened for social media. Like, hey, no one should be told me. And every year, there is this hoax about Daddy Lumba. Every year, this no, you know, be say what, like every year, constantly. Why?
maybe people want him.
If we take action,
Please let's all ignore the rumors and wish him well, rather, because Chalon, the more serious no, the money do some.
But yo, if there's a law for fake news, whoever started this news must be picked up.
Is it not the same thing that
Yeah,
Shatawale the same thing?
So if they pick that pastor up, therefore pick this person too up. I mean, the cybersecurity can track and see
God.
where this information came from.
so
Go ahead.
Yeah, so therefore pick. And then you say who start them?
at the camp in Ghana, publication of false news is an offense. It's a public crime, and it's against the section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29. It's outlining the offenses. I say makes a crime. You
And then we
Tell me who tell us.
Listen.
The thing say be crying, not that leave the rest. Who tell us? Who you call
when
me?
I saw the
Go
post
ahead.
this morning, I think I saw it on Monaguchi official page. That and this how and I read it.
She
I
posted
think,
it first.
She posted it first.
So it was Monaguchi
And
that put out the news.
Yeah, that it got trending.
What's the
And
following?
This is it.
What's the following?
Monaguchi official.
What's the size of the following? Like how many
What's the
people are
size
following
of the following?
Let me check the following for you. The following.
Lumba is a legend, though. You
Yeah,
guys
yeah,
stop
yeah.
playing bullshit with the man's
So
name.
she has about
That's an absolute
135,000
legend that you
followers.
guys are toying with.
1,000 followers.
followers?
And when people even are posting it in groups and others, it will
It has
further
already
increase.
gone in groups. I mean, plenty of people are
So
calling
she
to ask,
posted in the morning.
is Lumba alive or...
At the time the screenshot was done, it was 16 minutes ago.
See,
Earlier in the
We got
morning.
to respect. We have to put some respect on these
I've
legends.
just
their name.
received a terrible
I
call.
get this nonsense all the time from Yasapon. Time and time again, people will call me, oh, they hear Yasapon is late, they hear Yasapon is past. Yo, wait, if Yasapon is past, management or the family will actually put it out. Don't you guys go out speculating what is not true. Right now, anybody that puts any news about Yasapon, which is not true, we'll look for the source of the news and we'll sue you or we'll arrest you.
Yeah. So I just want to say that you see, you said that people have been calling you. That's the right thing to do.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying,
I'm saying, no, I read it a lot too on the internet as well.
I get you, but what I'm saying is that at least they are calling.
If you call me to find out, that's fine. Respectfully, I'll tell you. But if you consistently disturb my phone with that thing, I'll tell you what you want here too.
And look at the way she posted. I mean, the post crab means you want to show you are not sure, but you've posted it. This is death. Look at how she cowed the whole caption. I've just received a terrible call that our legendary Daddy Lumba has passed on a few minutes ago. I hope it's not true. My heart is so broken. Then you come to say, you tag somebody, Abba the Great, please confirm for us why. Namaye Basa.
After she broke the news,
Yeah, you now you're
she
asking
actually gave
someone to,
herself an out, so that
Yes.
just in case Ghana, you're
like
saying
you are asking somebody to confirm for you. I mean, what kind of... if you are influential, you need to be very cautious about because some of the things you post on public places. Because, I mean, you cannot put... By now, maybe an ebusi ni BP kwada baby dada. Do you know how you further increase obi ebia or sheno ni ade? We should be
the
cautious.
way we are talking too much. Listen, we were in
Bring the
Ghana.
Lord.
Wait, we were in Ghana, and Shatawale said he was dead, and he wasn't dead, and he was arrested.
Yeah.
So if
They go
somebody
inside.
has come and they say somebody is dead and the person is alive,
If I arrest them,
they are the same.
Shatawale's case, he
president.
wasn't just arrested.
Yes, he was jailed, and I mean, wow, he was in prison.
Yeah.
So it can be done clearly. There is a clear case, and they said the reason was fear and panic.
Yes. And this
Am
was
I not panicked?
but you see,
freezing
listen,
up.
we have to be careful with news now because you see somebody like Sam George, Minister of Information, that guy's ears on the ground. He's one person who is in touch with social media, and he doesn't take these things lightly.
Yeah.
Because I know what happened to the Sinaso conversation. I know the conversations that went on back door. You know, that guy, if I count himself lucky, the bigger quiz guy, really, because where like the matter go like you go like. You know, some of us
thing,
really
the
stood for
description
him.
alone, if you listen, it's like I did watch horror movie.
Yeah.
Really, well, it was stupid for him to put such news out. It was really DJ Black just want me about language, but sorry, but some of us we say I'm the way he did. You know, it wasn't proper why can't you guys just wake up and you put anything out just because a few likes, a few trends, a few whatever, everybody's on your page. Now you're dying. Somebody's father, somebody's child, somebody's, something. Even the person himself. Lumba's dying somewhere. Nothing happened. Or on a checkup. You say he's dead. Because you saw him at the hospital. So you shouldn't go to the hospital. What do problems have with this? The man needs checkup. At his age, he needs constant checkup. So maybe you saw him go to the hospital or somebody saw him go to the hospital.
Please, based on what Adam read, it was not seen.
No, another person.
Phone call.
Another person posted that he saw.
Oh, really not cool. Not cool.
But, but if you see somebody at the hospital,
Charlie, I go to the hospital to check myself up. No, it be me.
Even if they carry somebody's up, go.
What is the problem?
Like, hello.
No, okay, it's him. He's in a stretcher. They are taking him to the OPD or whatever they call it. What is wrong? Is he not human? Did he come like Superman? I can see you. Let's go with your show.
Okay, listeners. If there's any developing story or issue to this, I will communicate. But for now, as I said earlier, please ignore the rumors until there is a family confirmation. Even if there is anything that Ntontoma Kanwa, because you cannot, as at now, we don't know if he's drinking tea. We don't know whether sugar day inside or it be salt way day inside. You can't even tell. So let's just hold on to it. It's like everyone, all his pictures are all over, just because of one simple post. Words are powerful. Let's be careful with the things we say sometimes.